Hi there, welcome to Hi-Tech Seals. Today I'll be showing you how to lubricate an O-ring. Lubricating O-rings is a crucial part of the installation process. This can decrease the surface friction of the O-ring, helping prevent abrasion, pinching, or cutting during installation, all of which can cause premature product failure. Applying a thin, uniform layer of Super Hi-Glyde will help the O-ring seat correctly and fit tightly. It also prevents the initial lubrication on startup and prevents seal-to-metal adhesion during shipping and storage. Before applying the lubricant, the O-ring and groove surfaces should be wiped clean. First is to apply a thin coat of lubricant to the O-ring. Spread the lubricant evenly using your fingers or a brush. Then, slide the lubricated O-ring into place. This reduces surface friction, making it easier for the O-ring to slide into place without rolling or forcing it. Once the O-ring is in place, apply another thin coat for added protection from abrasion. Following these simple steps helps protect the O-ring from being damaged and optimizes O-ring sealing performance. Hi-Tech Seals offers Super Hi-Glyde silicone lubricant that helps achieve a successful and efficient O-ring installation. Super Hi-Glyde is ideal for use in automotive, industrial, and commercial applications. It is FDA compliant, making it safe for the food and beverage industry. Visit our website or contact a Hi-Tech Seals representative for more information. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time.